Hello children, the chapter we'll be doing today is our environment. So a very interesting chapter. So in this chapter we'll be studying about our environment and how is it affected. So the first topic from here is greenhouse effect. So it's one of the very important topic, greenhouse effect. So we will be knowing what is greenhouse effect. Okay. So first of all, greenhouse, I think most of you have seen, especially those who live in busties and all. So there is a place like usually here in India, greenhouse are made out of plastics. So in that greenhouse, it's a house made out of plastic inside which plants are kept. So the reason behind that is because once you enter the greenhouse, you feel it's very warm. So because of that, during the time of winters, plants are able to get the warmth from the greenhouse. So that's the main reason why greenhouse is made. Like outside India's other countries, you'll be finding that greenhouses are made out of glasses. So what it does the work of trapping the heat, because of which plants will be able to get the warmth trapped inside the greenhouse. Now in our earth, greenhouse effects also takes place. So when the rays of the sun, it comes toward the earth, once it enters the atmosphere of the earth, once it enters the atmosphere of the earth, and the rays of the sun, when it strikes the earth, it will again reflect back. So while reflecting back, there is a layer, invisible layer, which is made out of greenhouse gases. So it will be acting like that of a greenhouse. So it will again reflect the heat rays of the sun towards the earth, and that's how the temperature of the earth increases. So here's the diagram I want to show you. So I think you can see the sun rays coming towards the earth, and it comes and try to reflect back into space. But as you can see, the yellow line, that is your greenhouse gases. It will again bounce back the heat of the sun back towards the earth. What it does, because of bouncing back of rays of the sun back to earth, slowly the temperature of the earth increases, and because of this reason, it causes the temperature of earth to increase. If greenhouse effect was not there, our earth would become very cold. But again, excess of this thing again leads to disaster. Now what usually happens when excess of greenhouse gases are out there, it will reflect more amount of heat towards the earth, and it will subsequently increase the temperature of the earth very much, which will lead to global warming. Now what is global warming? Global warming is rapid rise in the temperature of the earth. So when the temperature of the earth is increasing at a very high rate, that is known as global warming. Now the reason for global warming is because of the greenhouse gases. Now where do you find these greenhouse gases? Usually your greenhouse gases are made of your carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide and all. As you can see here, gases released from factories, car, buses, fuels such as petrol, diesel, it will release carbon dioxide, which is one of the major component of greenhouse gases. So once these greenhouse gases are released, as you can see the yellow circle out here, that those are greenhouse gases. So it will form a layer around the earth, and because of that, the heat will get again trapped inside the earth. The incoming heat from the earth will get trapped inside the earth, which will ultimately leads to global warming. Now we will see what will happen because of global warming. We'll see that. Okay. So because of global warming, polar ice cap, that means in the polar region of the earth, as you can see here in the diagram itself, as you can see in polar region, those are made out of white lines. So polar region usually they are very cold, and they have polar ice caps out there. Because of global warming, those polar ice caps will subsequently melt, and because of that, water level of the earth increases, and that's the reason why some coastal area will be submerged. Area which are very close to the seas and all, those area will get submerged. And not only that, because of global warming, seasonal changes